Well, squids, I just picked this thing up. That's right, that's a 2009 Yamaha T-Max. It's a project, it's not working, and I just picked it up fairly cheap, but you can see it requires a lot of work. I've been wanting a scooter for a while. I've been out of the scooter game, so I wanted to find one. And Motoro USA, thank him, because he sent me the link to this and I went to pick it up today. So let me show you around the bike. If you follow the channel, I had a 2009 black and yellow version that I liked much more, and I picked it up fairly cheap. Same as this, but this one's in much more horrible condition. I actually bought the old Yamaha T-Max from a airline pilot. They used it to get to Dulles airport every single day. And so this one needs quite a bit of work. You can see the seat is ripped, the leather for it, so I'll probably be stitching it with it. And let's see what else. The owner started to rip into it because he couldn't get the seat open. And you know, the key does not go in, but he did turn on the bike and it did start and I saw it, but it is stuck. And there is a reason. I've been pouring like WD-40 in there, but it's not wanting to turn, and I think it's just a bunch of rust that's in there. Same thing with the gas tank. The gas tank is, I'm unable to open it, so don't know exactly how I'm going to get it open, but I might just break the lock. And the tires, they're flat. The stem on this tire is gone. So from the front, you know, this is faded. It looks like it was stored outside. And the massive windscreen looks like it was stored outside too. So, I mean, this thing, I don't know if this will come out. Let's look. I mean, it's not horrible. I think once I clean up all the plastics and all this weathering, this is what happens when you have a bike and you leave it outside. It just looks horrible. Look at this big ass exhaust. It's got some marks on there. Looks like it has fallen. This part looks okay. I'm like looking around, see if there's any more damage. These are very sought after scooters. The T-Max logo is gone out of there. The mirrors are intact. This one's got 18,000 miles. Not bad for a 500. It was working a while ago. I actually got this. So the ignition won't go in. I don't know how he turned it, but that's water. Look at this. That's water inside. This guy told me he kept it stored. It's stored inside, but this does not look like it's stored inside. Let's gently put that. Nice. It's like brand new. Look at this. A lot of freaking messing around with the key. It finally lit up. So let's see what we got here. Trip A, 18,000 miles. So I'm gonna start this up. Oh, I have to hold the brake, and it starts up. So that's what I was afraid of. I can't run it for a lot, just because, look at that, blinkers work. I was kind of afraid it wasn't going to light up, but there we go. There we go, and it's quiet. It is a nice, quiet bike. That's pretty darn good. That's the handbrake. Those are heated grips. Don't think there's an indication when they turn on, but yeah, I got a lot of work to do on this. It's on E, so that's the next thing, is try to get this thing open. So Yeah, I might have to break that lock, but this key is just so difficult. It took me 30 minutes to see if I could get it to the on position. High beam. Yeah. So that's it, guys. The bike is nice and alive. You know, this bike is going to make a great Uber Eats delivery scooter. So I'm very happy that I found it. And thank you to Motorola USA for giving me a shout out and sending me the link. And make sure you like his channel. Go to Motorola USA. I'll put it in the link below the description. Just go like, subscribe to his channel. I really appreciate it, guys. I'll see you in the next one.